Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C-3PO.
We know you have this rebel spy on board.
I have never seen that man before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy.
Guys, someone could get... Light speed, Doctor! No!
Warning, hold up. Thruster malfunction.
Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourselves! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! Who didn't leave? Otto, do something! The transmission.
Yoga, I am. On your ship, one loyal to our cause you carry.
The spy.
Deliver him, you must, or all will be lost. To your R2 unit, coordinates I will send. May the Force be with you.
I'm afraid we've all just joined the Rebel Alliance. What are we doing? Shields up, Otto! I wasn't programmed for this! Burst droids! To get them off before they rip us apart! They've severed the controls! Pull up! R2, pull up! Well done, R2! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, Otto, a platform! Let's land there! Oh, thank the Maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain? Glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours!